Okay guys, I am here back at Dollar General and ready to do some more laundry deals. I really wanted to do the Gain deal. I'm sure you guys have been seeing that glitch like all over the internet. Unfortunately, I can't do that deal because I don't have all of the products at my store. I don't have the fabric softener, so I'm not going to be able to do both of them. So I'm just going to stick to my laundry deal that I came to do, which is the Snuggle deal. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And hit the bell right next to the subscription button. That way you don't miss out on any of the deals that I'm doing. But I'm going to do a Snuggle deal and an all laundry detergent deal. And I know I did this deal similar earlier last week, but I'm going to do it again because I know a lot of people just got their coupons and I don't want them to miss out. But not only that, one of the coupons expires this Saturday, and we do have a double dip on the deal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get 5 of these dryer sheets. You have to get the 40 count. They're $2.35. But we're going to use this coupon. You see, it does expire. This one doesn't expire till August 7th, and it's $1.50 off of any Snuggle product. Excludes trial. 40 sheets is not trial. Now at Dollar General, you can use 5 of the same coupon. So I'm going to get 5. Wait a minute, 1, 2, 3, 4. But I gotta grab one more. So I'm gonna get 5 of these dryer sheets. Okay. Now we're going to get our total up to $15, and the reason being is because Dollar General has a deal right now where when you spend $15 on all Snuggle and Purex products until August 13th, you get an extra $3 off. Well, guess what, guys? That $3 is combining with the $3 off 15 back to school, or your $3 off regular purchase. And you don't have to get your total up to $18 like you normally do. They are stacking together beautifully. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add on one of these detergents. It says it's $4.50 on my shelf, but they're $5. So I'm going to grab one of these, and that's going to bring us well over our $15 mark. Okay, so our total is going to be like $16.75. But we do have a coupon for the all detergent, and that is the coupon that is expiring on Sunday. So you have to use this by Sunday and do the deal by Sunday. So you get $1.50 off the $5. So that'll be $3.50 for that. So we're going to head up to the register and see what our out-of-pocket is. Alrighty, here is the receipt. You see we have the 4 Snuggles, and as I made a note in the video, the Snuggle dryer sheets did go up to $2.60. So guys, just make sure you're scanning your products when you're in the store, no matter how far apart or close together you made the purchases, because I just bought some of these Snuggle sheets on Saturday, and they were $2.35 on Saturday, and now here it is Wednesday, and they have gone up 25 cents. So you see the 5 things of Snuggle dryer sheets, and the same with the all detergent. So the all detergent was $4.75, and when I bought it the other day, it was $5. So just make sure you're scanning, especially if you're trying to get to your $15. So there you see my 5 $1.50 Snuggle coupons came off for the dryer sheets, and then my $1.50 all coupon came off. I got the $3 off for the instant and the $3 off for spending $15. You guys know we don't deal with tax. So when you minus the 71 cents that was tax, then my total was $2.75. Guys, I bought 6 items. So when you divide $2.75 by 6, that means I paid 46 cents for each item. I'd say that's a pretty good deal. So make sure you take advantage of this deal, and let's go on to our next transaction. Okay, so our second transaction that we're going to do is still going to be on the all products, and we're going to grab 3 of these, okay, and they're $5, so that's exactly $15. That works out perfect. And then we're going to use 3 of the $1.50 off coupons, and you see it says $1.50 off of any all product, so that means any size. So we're going to throw these in the cart and head up to the register. So this is what our second transaction is going to look like. Okay guys, so this is our second transaction, and remember the all is $4.75, not $5. So if I would have just gotten the 3 bottles of all, then I wouldn't have been at the 15. So I went and grabbed another box of dryer sheets to get me to my 15. So you see the 3 alls in the Snuggle dryer sheets. I used 3 $1.50 coupons for the detergent and a $1.50 coupon for the dryer sheets, and then my 3 off of 15 came off instantly, and the $3 off 15, $3 for spending 15 overall coupon. So okay, so my out of pocket was $5.50 with the tax. So let's take the tax off, because you know we don't talk about tax. So that leaves my out of pocket to being, and I just did the math, I'm sorry guys. So my out of pocket was $4.85, but when you divide that by 4, that means we paid $1.21 for each item. So I still say that is a pretty good deal. I'd pay $4 and some any day to get 3 bottles of detergent. So this is everything we got today. A bunch of all and a bunch of Snuggle. As always, keep on saving.